Okay, let's dive in. We are taking a close look at the Blustream MFP62. It's a 6x2 multi-format presentation switcher.
Right.
And this isn't just, a simple router. It's more of an integrated solution for those high-tech meeting rooms and classrooms.
Absolutely. And our goal here is to really distill what makes this thing tick. Why is it so essential? Because it's built to be that single nerve center for a hybrid setup, trying to bridge tech that, frankly, probably shouldn't be in the same room.
But so often is.
So often is, yeah.
The immediate thing you notice is just the sheer number of inputs.
6 of them.
6 inputs. You've got your 3 standard HDMI, 1 USB-C, 1 DisplayPort, and then, this is the interesting one, a VGA input.
That VGA port is the key, isn't it? It's the whole story.
It really is.
It acknowledges that, that old laptop on the lectern still exists. This switcher has to do some serious gymnastics inside.
So it's not just switching digital signals.
No, not at all. It's like a diplomat, forcing old analog and brand new digital to actually work together.
And speaking of those modern sources, it handles them beautifully. We're talking serious bandwidth here.
We are. HDMI 2.0, 18 gigs.
It also supports resolutions up to 4K UHD at 60 Hertz.
And here's where it gets really interesting for anyone who cares about image quality. It supports 4.4.4 color sampling.
Okay, so break that down. For you, the listener, what does that mean?
It means no color compression, 0. If you're showing really detailed graphics or spreadsheets, that 4.4.4 sampling gives you perfect color accuracy.
That's total clarity.
Exactly. And it's HDCC 2.2 compliant, which is basically the security guard that lets you play protected content. Without it, you get no picture.
Of course. And great video is pretty useless without equally good audio.
Right.
The audio management in this box is surprisingly robust. It can embed audio, and it can de-embed it at the same time to different outputs.
Yeah, you can send it out to analog LR, like for some basic speakers, or to a digital SPDIF output for a proper sound system.
But what really elevates this, I think, is the professional audio mixing part. It doesn't just pass the audio through. It has an integrated mixer, independent level control.
And the star of that show is the MIC input. It supports 48-volt phantom power.
That detail is huge.
It is.
It means you can plug a studio-grade condenser microphone right into it, the kind of quality you'd expect from a dedicated audio interface.
Which completely changes the game for a conference call or a hybrid lecture.
And that professional touch extends to the outputs, too. It has dual HDMI outputs.
Both with video scaling built in.
Why is that so important?
Well, because it means the 4K content you're sending in can be perfectly adjusted to fit, say, an older 1080p projector in the room.
Without you having to do anything.
Exactly. It manages the E-Dide. It prevents the screen from just going black because it can't handle the signal.
So to wrap this up, control is pretty standard. You've got front panel, IR, RS232, and TCP/IP.
And a web GUI, which is nice for configuration.
So what does all this mean at the end of the day?
I mean, the MFP62 is really a single box solution for taming the chaos. It bridges 6 different formats, from old VGA to demanding 4K 4.4.4 video.
And it manages all of it with a level of sophistication you need in a professional space, especially with tools like phantom power.
Which leaves a really interesting question for you to think about. What complex design challenges does the inclusion of a fully phantom-powered mic input solve when you combine it with features like 4K 60 Hz scaling and E-Dide management in today's really diverse hybrid meeting spaces?
It's more than just plugging things in.
It's about system reliability. It's about making sure it just works every time.